I was thinking a couple days ago that it took me 12 years to gather the business information that I know today, right? 12 years of research, 12 years of going to events, 12 years of hiring coaches, reading books, getting to the end of YouTube, learning investing, learning finances, learning taxable income, learning systems and processes, and how to hire and how to fire, and what kind of, how to track my numbers and how to look at my numbers and how to be in the right mindset, and like just everything that a team leader or a business owner, not an operator. I figured out how to make money. Hard work. I was raised with hard work equals money. So I have done a lot of hard work. What I didn't learn through the years, what the heck do you do with money? Never had that problem. My parents never had that problem. My great parents never had that problem. So I spent the last 12 years figuring out what the heck do you do with money? Because why do I work so hard to piss it out on taxes? So I had to learn all of these games. I have to learn how to track my money, because if you don't track it where it came from, you don't know where it went, right? I had to learn how to hire and who to hire. Who are the CPAs, the financial advisor, the 401k, the tax attorney, the asset planner, all of these people that today I call my board of directors. I need to learn how to leverage and how to hire 17 mini-me's so then I can get a lot of work done and have a life running 9 businesses. Well, this is what I created. 2024 Biz Mastery. Comment the word biz, B-I-Z, to get your invitation.